Hi, my name's Joanne, and I'm the FCH agent for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. Today, we have Eva Carranza, a MCV member, who will provide a sewing tutorial on how to make a bone pillow for your neck. The supplies you'll need are half a yard of fabric, polyfill or toy filling, and your sewing supplies. Now, let's welcome Ms. Eva Carranza.
Hello, my name is Eva Carranza. I am a Master Clothing Volunteer for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Services. I will show you how to make a bone pillow. So let me first give you the instructions and then sewing. Here we go. Here we have the pattern for the bone pillow. We're going to cut 3 pieces of material, which are right here. Okay, the first step, you're going to place 2 pieces right side together and sew as above, only the middle area, which is the middle area all the way to the other side. Okay, the step 2, you pick up this flap here and you're gonna get this one right side together, and then you'll be sewing this part right here, same way as step 1. Okay, and then the last step will be these 2 parts right here. Okay, the last third set, it has to be sewn as above. So you grab a small piece of material in the middle area. You have to grab a little piece of this material, that way you can kind of reinforce the middle areas right here. And also the third piece, you have to put your hand here, mark it, so that's where you're gonna have the opening to turn it inside out and to stuff it. So we need to make sure on that in the third step. So let's start. Where you have your 2 pieces right side together, because it's only a 3-piece thing. So 2 pieces right sides together, and then you're gonna go ahead and sew it. This is the second step. We're gonna put this. We're gonna pick this flap up, put it there, put this right sides together on top, and then you're gonna grab these 2 pieces here, which you have to sew. In doing this second part, you need to, when you backstitch, try and grab a little bit of that material to reinforce that puckering thing right on the edges. So you go up a little bit, backstitch, forward, and again, you're just doing the whole thing. Feel the little bit of a material where you did the first part. Okay, the only thing now, you've sewn that part, you've sewn this one, well now you have the third part. The third part is going to be this right here. This is the last part, step number 3. But on step number 3, what needs to be done is you got to get your hand right here and you got to mark it, because this is where you're going to have to turn the material out, inside out, and then stuff it. So just go here and then mark it on this side. Okay, there you have your markings. So what you're going to do is you're going to stitch this, stop it here, go from here, stop it there. Okay, so here we go. And you're going to feel this material right here. You can feel it. So we're going to forward, back stitch, forward. Go all the way around. It a little bit to this other side, and the best thing of course is to you go forward, back stitch forward. And you feel the little, right here in the middle area, you'll feel this little bit of material there. You gotta get a little bit of it. So you go forward, back stitch, forward. And this is where you had it open. Kind of have to look at it and make sure that everything has been sewn right. Correct, everything got caught. Okay. Now we turn it inside out. Okay. Turn everything inside out. And I have one here. I turned everything inside out. And here it is. Here's your little pillow. And now all you have to do is just stuff it. Get some of the stuffing. I kind of like to start, when you stuff, I like to start at this end, way on this end over here, and start filling up these little puckering places here over here. See, all that. These three will be stuffed, and you just keep on stuffing, 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 until you have this. And this is the finished product of your little pillow. This is nice for traveling, when you're sitting on the recliner, you just want to rest or whatever. But this is a beautiful pillow for the back of your neck, and this is a bone pillow. Happy sewing!
Thank you, Ms. Carranza, for the tutorial. Now, if you make this project, please hashtag MCVRGVSew. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us in our Facebook page at AgriLife Extension Family Resources, Hidalgo County.